I've created 10 beautiful, easy, step-by-step hairstyles, and this is hairstyle number 2. Okay, let's have a look at how I created this hairstyle. The hairstyle I'm going to create is this lovely sort of cascading hairstyle down over to one side. Okay, let's start. Bring all the hair over to the right-hand side or the left-hand side and put your parting wherever you want it. There it is, there's our ponytail. Now I will go in and I will tong all of the ponytail. I wanted just to create a very soft curl through the hair. Nothing much, just a little bit of nice texture. Okay, here we go. I'm going to take a little topsy tail. I'm going to wrap my little piece of hair around the ponytail and then pull that through the center. So the little tail went through the very middle of the elastic and I pulled that around. I'll do it again here. Look, I'm going to pull the hair out just to create something really interesting, some nice texture. Now, place your little device straight through the elastic like that, sort of towards the center of the elastic. Now take a tail around. So just take a little tail from underneath. And this is what I did just above. Take it around, wrap it around. You can do this once or twice or however many times you want to go around. Now pull it through the loop of your device and pull that straight through. There we go. And that secures it in and really sort of holds it perfectly in place. Now I'm going to continue on and repeat this down until I come to the bottom. I'm going to do one, two, three or four pieces, and each time I do it, I sort of pull at the hair to create that lovely texture. This is such a simple hairstyle. It's just repeating each one after the other. Look at this for a final look. And now let's put this onto our client.